This is a BELWARES stainless coffee press. It's double wall stainless. Everything on it is stainless. The lid here is hollow, but it's got a stainless sleeve down the hollow so that the cap can't hold water. The finish is excellent, as you can see. Spin it here. Everything is stainless. It's got double screens on the bottom, and it came with 2 extra screens. The bottom plate is angled instead of flat like my Bodum press. And let's look at the carafe up close here. It's got measurements on the inside. The fit and finish on the spout and over the rim is excellent. For the price of this thing, I'm quite amazed and impressed. Let me show you how it pours here. You can see with the lid on that it's really good. In fact, it's so good that the coffee was rising up out of it and spouting over, pouring over the spout rather. So I had to pour it back out a little bit. But so the lid is double walled with an air gap, and the steel is double walled with a vacuum. And yeah. Pour. Got a nice pour to it. Not like the Bodum, which is a borosilicate beaker with not enough nose on it. So it's easy to make them drip. And the reason I bought this one is because my Bodum was glass and I broke it last night, and this one arrived this morning by 10 o'clock. I guess because Amazon knows how serious coffee is. Great product.